What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. EMT here, and in this video, we're sharing 3 basic but very powerful cinematic moves for you to elevate the video quality of your Insta360 GO 2. Let's go. Now, can you believe that 90% of people that watch my videos are actually not subscribed to the channel? Can you believe that? What? That 90% of people that watch my videos are not subbed. Really? Yeah. It is crazy. So if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Now, a while back, I created a video about the brand new Insta360 GO 2. The link will be in the description and in the annotations. And in this video, you can find out why I personally love this camera, and it's become one of my favorite pieces of equipment to carry whenever I'm out and about. All right, so jumping straight to cinematic shot number 1 is going to be your sliding shot. Now, your sliding shot could also be named tracking shot. This shot is in the Dolly family because the camera is moving physically from left to right, right to left. I personally refer to it as a sliding shot because you're sliding from left to right or right to left. There is no panning or tilting involved in this specific shot, but you could get creative and enhance that sliding maneuver or tracking shot. This shot is very useful for product B-roll, capturing a subject like a person walking. Maybe you're trying to capture steps or a subject on the side profile. This shot is really powerful, and you don't really have to move too much. You can just simply move a couple of inches left and right. In this specific case, I held my Insta360 GO 2 in the case, and I shifted my stance from the right foot to the left foot, kind of like a little sliding maneuver. Make sure you bend your knees, lock your elbows, and just simply maneuver slowly, gently. Don't try to put too much strength into your actual arms or hands because you might throw it off, or you might shake, or the frame might be sideways or whatnot. So simply make that maneuver by shifting your body weight left to right or right to left. Jumping over to shot number 2, and one of my favorites is the crane shot. This is also referred to as the jib shot, and in reality it's just vertical movement of your camera. You can introduce panning or tilting if you need to, but at its basic form, it's just simply moving the camera up. And this shot is very powerful because you can reveal a setting, a subject, or just pretty much anything to your audience by simply moving vertically. You can also bring the audience in from a wide shot and then just get up closer to your subject. And we see these maneuvers in movies all the time. Whenever there's like a reveal and the subject walks towards the sunset and the camera pans up above the trees and there's a big city. This is the kind of shot that automatically elevates the quality of your videos. And the key here is to recognize the environment, look around, and leverage leaves, rocks, railings, anything that's in front of you that could be used as a foreground object in order to reveal what's in the background. And shot number 3 is the dolly shot. Now, the dolly shot has a lot of different iterations. You can be going forward, you can be pulling backwards, you can be on a side profile angle. There's a lot of different implementations for the dolly shot, but the dolly shot is literally the easiest one of them all. And you can use the pendant or just simply go handheld to achieve the shot. Make sure you point the Insta360 GO 2 towards your subject in order to maintain some level of direction. You could be going straight forward and create a forward motion and record what's in front of you, or you could do the same exact thing by backing off as you're moving parallel to your subject. An example of a dolly shot is steps, right? Following the footsteps of someone, following a subject from the front, like if they're going somewhere and you're walking right in front of them or behind them, or just simply orbiting. The fact that the camera is moving in a specific direction creates a dolly shot. All these shots are super easy to achieve because the Insta360 GO 2 has killer flow state stabilization that keeps everything from shaking too much. And remember that you can go even further by achieving the highest quality possible using Pro Video. I actually made a video about Pro Video with the Insta360 GO 2, so make sure you check that one out. The key to achieving cinematic shots, regardless of the Insta360 camera you're using, or as a matter of fact, any camera, is being able to apply that dynamic movement and bring your audience in with a little bit of motion. So next time you're out and about at the park or at an event, try some of these shots and let me know in the comment section down below which one is your favorite. That's it. Fast, easy, sliding shot, crane shot, and of course the dolly shot. These are very basic moves, but incredibly powerful when implemented properly. As always, thank you so much for sharing your time with me. Stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one.